Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use forEach. So forEach is something that you can use over and over again in your array. Maybe you have some items in your array and you want to do something with each of those items. So that's where forEach comes handy. So let's make an array, const array, and the array can have like couple of names. So the first one is avatar, the second one is Katara. So for those who don't know, these are the characters of this famous show called Avatar: The Last Airbender. This was I used to watch this show a lot. So what I want to do, I want to just console log something that, and every time I have that, it will work with these 4 items. So I can just write array, then forEach, and here I have to specify a function. So let's just write random function, and here sorry about that, every time this function random function will run, it will run for each of them. It will run for this and this and this and this. So let me take this and create this over here, function, then this, and here I'm gonna pass a parameter. You can name it anything. You can name it item, you can name it name. Whatever you use over here, you have to use it inside the block as well. So for the function, I don't want to do it anything complex. I just want it to say that avatar is a good person or a nice person. So I want to use that sentence for each of them. So I want to write CLG, which is basically console log, and here avatar is a nice person. So first I will have this item, and I have specified that with name. So I'm just gonna use name. So whenever I'm using name over here, it will grab one item from the array. It's starting from the very first. So first it will take avatar, then I wanna add something to it, is a nice person. So what it will do, it will see for the function called random function, and here I have specified this function, and inside that I have called this parameter name. So this name is basically avatar, Katara, Sokka, and Roku. So this will give out a console log of name plus is a nice person, and instead of name it will show avatar is a nice person, Katara is a nice person, Sokka is a nice person, and Roku is a nice person. So if I just hit save, just see over here, voila, magic. So we have our 4 output that I wanted, and you can just do pretty amazing things with forEach. So there are a couple other things to use with array as well, that I'm gonna show in next couple of videos, but forEach is like one of the simplest of them, and you can do cool stuff with it. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.